Alright, here we've got a factorization problem, and when we look at this, we probably want to start by trying to take out the greatest common factor, and we can see there isn't one. So then, scanning through our list of possible techniques that we might use, and looking at what we have here, looks like we might want to try to group some terms together and see if we can take a greatest common factor out of those. So let's just go ahead and group this 12x cubed with this 8x squared, and those are going to have a solid coefficient and an x squared that we can take out of them, and then this 15x and this negative 15x, excuse me, and this negative 10x are going to have a 5 at least that can come out. So let's try starting there and go ahead and write this out. Plus 8x squared, and put those in brackets for clarity's sake, and we're going to have plus negative 15x minus 10, and we can pull the greatest common factor out here of 4x squared, and we have left as a 3x plus 2, and here we can pull out a negative 5 from both of these, so that'll be minus 5 times 3x plus 2. So now we have this common binomial here in both of the terms that are left over, so we can then finish the grouping, and we're going to have 3x plus 2 multiplied then by 4x squared minus 5. And when we look at this, I'm tempted to believe here that this is a difference of squares and factor this further, but in reality, while 4 is a squared term, a perfect squared term, and x is a perfect squared term, this 5 here is not a perfect square, so we can't actually factor this term any further, and we are done.